Hey, welcome to Real FB Show. Today I'm at Kanpur city in India and I'm at Kanpur Zoo, which is one of the biggest zoo and in Asia, and there's a lot of animals and it's like a jungle and it's a big zoo, so we have to walk a lot and let's explore this thing. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe. Kanpur Zoo is the biggest zoo in North India, and it's an open space zoo. Animals are in open space, and this zoo has 123 species in 57 hectares of land, open space land, and it has 1,486 animals in this zoo. I'm at the monkey area and there are many kind of monkey, mostly people who is walking. You can see black face monkey here on my back. Funniest thing I heard about the monkey in the monkey area from the people who's walking around, this is, oh, what the use of seeing this monkey? They comes to our home, so just walk, no need to see this monkey. So really, because there are so many monkeys comes in the house in India, so that's why they are not interested to see the normal monkeys here. Behind me is a bird house, reminds me of the Jurassic Park 3 movie, because there is a huge cage here, you can see, and the birds are free to roam around inside, but human has to be in the cage. Chain curtains is like a wall, and it's we have to pass it, and it's really hard. You have to use your power to move it away because these are metal chain. So the good thing about this bird area, you can see human has to walk inside the cage and birds can roam around all this big area, and they can fly and they can do anything in this area. So you can see that's really nice. They don't feel inside the cage, but still, yeah, they are inside the cage. They have so nice lake and so nice area for the birds. They are really feel happy and enjoying, and they have a lot of food. I can see they have a lot of food here, and they're really enjoying in this. Very good to see. They are not in pain. They have a free area. They can roam around. They have a water lake. They have a jungle environment. That's really cool to see. So heavy. There is another bird house, but these are for the small birds. And they are in the smaller cage, and see what kind of birds do they have in these cages. So this zoo is not only have the other animals, you can see there's a dinosaur also here, but this looks so friendly just looking at me. This is an Himalayan black bear resting in the sun. This is the good thing about the winter. Most of the animals comes out, they rest in the sun. This season has a more opportunity to see these kind of animals outside. It's good place for picnic because I see so many families comes here and enjoying their meal and stuffs and enjoying their time. Tiger. Who bring my tiger here? It's my pet animal, and what is he doing here? This is a leopard cage, but he doesn't want to come in front. He's just moving left, right in the back side, and he doesn't want to come in front. He's maybe shy. I spend money on you, please come in front at least, okay? So there is a mini train, toy train station on my back, and it's a 50 rupees ticket for adult and 25 for children. And this is inside, which is different than the outside entrance. The outside entrance for the zoo is 60 rupees adults, and just one time pay and walk all around. But yes, if you have to take this toy train, you have to pay for this toy train 50 rupees extra. I found more dinosaurs, and now these are the aggressive dinosaurs. They are not calm as like before. They are almost fighting or doing something. Now we are going to see nocturnal animals, the animals who came out in the night time. So it's look like a cave here, and let's explore. Area was really dark. It looked like more to the hunter's house and like a dark caves, but it was not able to see much animals inside, but see few owls and few different species. That's it. Really dark and it's scary. Now time to go to aquarium. When I came here last time, a long time ago, it was under construction, and now it's already look old because I came here after so long time now. So let's explore the fish area. I hope they have a good fishes there, not to eat, okay? In aquarium, the most fishes are like a pet fish you can find in any pet shop. So there is nothing special to see in this aquarium. They are just normal fish you can find in any aquarium. One of a disappointment that snake house is closed. I came to see the snakes, many species of snakes they have here, but it's closed. My bad. They don't have a couple, and he look really sick and old, but yeah, this is zoo. So this was a zoo in Kanpur. Is so many animals and so many species, but there are so much nice views of animals, so some of the disappointment. But this is a zoo, you can't get everything you want to see, but overall experience is nice. You can still see so many animals, and it's really good to come here if you have a time. Tell me in the comment what you like and what you don't, and press like button if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.